Hello folks, this is your chap Naveen, and this video is about my opinion on the Zilliqa blockchain network from a developer's perspective. This Zilliqa blockchain network is supposed to be faster and more scalable than Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are the first public blockchain network to implement sharding, and they did it in 2019. Uh, this blockchain network is supposed to support dual mining, and what that means is anyone who is mining on the Zilliqa blockchain network is only required to participate in mining for only 1 minute per 2 to 3 hours, and the remaining time they can spend in mining for other networks. Uh, and from a developer's point of view, this network has everything that is needed to get started with development. They've got an IDE for compiling and executing their smart contracts. They've got a JavaScript SDK to interact with their nodes for deploying smart contracts and executing transactions or and invoking smart contract functions through uh, separate smart contract transactions. And they have got a Golang SDK that does the same as Java does the same as JavaScript SDK. And I suppose there's a large community of Web3 developers who use Golang, so that's good. That's some sort of basic necessity for a Web3 developer. And they have got their own Explorer, testnet for it. So yeah, they've got pretty much the entire package here. But one problem that I see here is the programming language that they use to write these smart contracts. It's called Scilla, and it's a functional programming language, and the fundamental structure of this language is very different from Solidity. So when someone gets into Web3 development, they learn to write contracts using Solidity, and they continue to do so for quite a while until they become comfortable writing smart contracts. And now this particular Zilliqa network asks the developer to learn this Scilla programming language to write their smart contracts, and this language is nowhere similar to Solidity. And yeah, it's very similar to OCaml, but I don't think a lot of people use that. Um, and I don't I just I think this Scilla programming language just ripples Web3 developers from this blockchain network. I mean, there are a lot of L2 solutions nowadays that are more scalable than Ethereum and Bitcoin. People can just go there, write their smart contracts using Solidity itself, and have a decent scalable solutions in the from the L2. Why learn this language, this killer language? Spend time in learning this language to use Zilliqa, while you can just go to EL2, write your smart contracts in Solidity, and just do that. Uh, so yeah, this seems also sort of unnecessary and repelling for a developer like myself. Uh, so yeah, that is one catch on this network. But other than that, I think this is pretty solid. This was developed by a brilliant team. They've got academics, entrepreneurs, developers, and this team is just brilliant. They've taught to everything. This is a solid network. Yeah, everything seems to be good, except this Scilla programming languages for me. Uh, so thank you.